There's another one. Hi guys, I'm still home. I'm getting ready to leave. It's Sunday. Just went to church. Just wanted to show you what the ice storm in Oklahoma did. Take a look at this. Those are utility poles broken in two. Over there's the stack of them. There's the wire and the cables laying on the ground. It was a tough little ice storm while I was up in Chicago. Well, hey guys. Oh, sorry. Just wanted to show you my new load. Made 2 drops today in Texas, and got some steel girders, and man, this was an interesting tarp job. Look at that. Yeah. It's almost dark here. I hope you can see it all right. But I have 50 foot and 40 foot girders on the trailer today, and I'm just about, yep, hangs over the front, just a little over the back. Well, anyway, I'm at the Choctaw Casino truck stop down here in Calera, Oklahoma, which is down by Durant. If you're from Oklahoma, you call it Durant. If you're just traveling around, it's Durant. We're down here Durant. I'm from Oklahoma. All right. But anyway, I'm going to be heading up to New Century, Kansas with these. Drop these off on Wednesday morning. Once I do that, then I'm going to be heading over to Salina, Kansas, where our headquarters is, and pick up another load. And I think I'm probably going to be taking a longer trip this time, be able to do some more updates on you. But this is Monday before Election Day, and I just wanted to check in with you because tomorrow I'll be busy. Be trucking all day, and might have an opportunity to give you a check-in tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Once I get up to Ottawa, Kansas, that's where I'll spend the night. There's a Love's there that I like to stay at. I'll spend the night there at Ottawa, Kansas, unloading at 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Yaha! And by then, of course, we'll all know who the president will be. And at least we should, unless some of those states screw it up, you know. And that's the way it goes. That's all the politics I can do and keep my YouTube channel going. The truck just blew its hose. Yeah, I think it's kind of like a omen. Well, you guys have a good one. I will talk to you later. And by golly, wear your mask, okay? I want you to wear the mask. Okay? All right.